It doesn't make sense to me. Judgment, control.
Oh, that doesn't make sense to me.
Something doesn't make sense to me.
It doesn't make any sense, sir. Why? Why?
Huh?
It doesn't make sense to me.
I know what's good for him.
Who called it in? Does that make sense to you, this happening?
That book is the last missing puzzle piece that makes all this make sense.
That's true. We cannot make sense of this.
I know this doesn't make any sense because it doesn't make any sense to me.
So, you see how hard it can be to make sense of things when you're looking at them really close?
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ, it don't make sense.
It doesn't make sense that you're sitting here doing this all day long.
It's our mission that doesn't make sense, sir. Someone is lying to us. And while you find out who, I'm going to go save my partner.
No way. It doesn't make sense.
We accept them because they make sense.
How many more people have to die before this mission starts to make sense to you?
It either makes sense or it doesn't make sense. I mean, I still can't make sense of it.
You're right. I don't make sense, and I don't want to.
So, are you saying this doesn't make sense? That don't make sense. You gave your word to my husband to kill me?
I know our situation. I know it doesn't make sense, but you need to hear this from me.
No, it does not. It doesn't make sense.
I love you. It doesn't have to fucking make sense.
It doesn't have to make sense. It's fate. It's fate.
It needs someone to make sense of the journal.
It's on the internet. Does that make sense?
When I'm helping these kids make sense of their lives, everything about my life makes sense to me.
Trying to make sense of this, and you can't.
I mean, does it make sense that kids who want an education should suffer because their high school gets turned into a reform school?
It's up to you to make sense, not me.
No, I believe something happened, but that just doesn't make sense.